Hi guys, welcome back to the video where today we're doing, I don't really know what I'm doing in this video. There's a hair on the lens. A spider's been on my camera. Hi guys, welcome back to the video where today we're doing, I don't really know. I got something off Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, I got something off Facebook Marketplace for free, for nothing. I don't really know what it is though, but we're just gonna look in. Yeah. Right, this thing might not even fit on the desk, but if it does, then that's good. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know what it is. I'm told it's a slide projector, but I don't know if it comes with any slides. So, oh my god, it's so old. About a million. I'm gonna sit before you guys are. Oh my god. The box is so old. Ugh. Cobwebs on my face. Does it come with photos? You guys can't really see it. But that's what's inside. It's an Elmo one. Does it come with... It comes with slides. Oh my god. Oh my god, it comes with slides. No, that's not a slide, that's a cassette tape. Why does it come with that? These are religious cassette tapes. A Beginner's Guide to Revolution Prayer. Alicia, the 100% Prophet, Solly Silverberg. Are they photos? Scripture Union. I don't know. Right, we're going to have to get everything out the box and look at it separately. Right, here we are. This is everything. Wait, audio, visual aids? Oh my god. What the hell is that? What is that? Conversion lens? Is this like a film viewer? Does it come with photos? I don't even know. Right, I'm gonna get the thing out the box. That's... God. So old. Oh my god. This better not break on me or anything. Ilford Elmo. This is a film viewer, I'm sure it is. No, it's not. This goes on the lens. Wait. Conversion lens. How do you open it? That's better. We can see what I'm doing now. But I don't even know what this thing is in here. I don't even know how to open it. Oh, it comes off. Oh, it's literally just a lens. Put that back on then. Oh, good lord. Oh, good god. Oh my god. Where does the film go? It looks like a jet engine. Where does the film go? It's even got the original silica gel. Why? Why has it got the original silica gel in here? I don't know how to use this thing. Right, these better be slides. These are cassettes. I have a cassette player that we can try them with. There we go. That's not even right. Where's the film go? It doesn't go in there. I'm getting a little nervous. This thing better work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be so sad. On. I'm sorry. Okay, that works. That's good. Cool. I don't know anything about this thing. There's nothing in here. It's empty. It's not empty. There's film in it. Is that developed? If that's undeveloped film, I'm ruining it right now. It's undeveloped. There's undeveloped 35mm film in here, and I've just ruined it. Is there anything? Are these all undeveloped rolls of Kodak film? No, there's pictures. There's pictures. Look, there's pictures. Oh my god. Okay, let's store the film correctly. No. Where's the instructions? But yeah, look, there's cassettes. There's cassettes with stuff on it, but I don't even know what's on it. We'll have to see what's on there. These are scripts. How to beat the system operator's script. Wait. There are no sound signals to indicate when the picture should be changed. I know. How to beat the system discussion material. I want to know how to use it. There's pages missing. Oh wait. Oh wait, operator script. Here we go. How to beat the system. Wait, no. These scripts. Oh wait. Does it go on here? Does this go on here? Yay or nay, do you reckon? Wait. Yeah, it does. This rolls the film on, this rolls it back off. So I need to get this on here somehow. Instructions in here. How to mount the film, yes, I want to know. How to mount the film. Oh! There we go, that's how we do it. So that goes in there. These are literally all, this is all the instructions I have. Does it go in like this, or does it go in... No, it has to go in like that. It has to. Insert a tip of the film beneath the spring plate of the spool. Where's a roll? Okay, here we go. And I might, just to be safe, use it in a slightly darker environment. That's supposed to go in there like that. Don't drop it. Put the film. Wait. This isn't right, is it? The film's supposed to go like across. It's not. Not a professional. Just saying, I'm not a professional. That's what it is. I've rolled the film on backwards. Is this right? I don't think this is right. The film was on there though. Insert a tip of the film beneath the spring plate of the spool and wind the film onto the spool. In this case the film should be mounted with its pictures upside down. I didn't even check if they're upside down or not. Wind another tip of the film a few times onto another empty spool and set both spools onto the spool axle of the carrier body, placing the film exactly along the guide rails of the carrier. It's on the guide rails, I'm pretty sure. Should this be going in with the film? And then the aperture plate's in. Okay. This is taking ages, you guys. That's not upside down, is it? No, that's definitely... It's sideways. Don't let me down now, you gotta go in the guardrails, come on. One film. There we go. And then that one too, yes. I've done it. I think it'll work okay when the aperture's in there. Right, these photos aren't going to come through okay. But as long as the thing works, that took forever to get these stupid photos to work. It's supposed to go into like that lip, I'm sure it is. Oh, there we go. There we go. In accordance with the size of the film to be projected, select a suitable aperture plate, either the one for the 35mm film or the half-size film. I've got the film in there, it's all in and good. Now I should just be able to... Well, I'm just going to try it. This probably will not work at all, but we're going to give it a go. Film's ready. Projector's ready. The first picture. Oh, it's nearly in focus, wait. That worked. Sort of. I smell fire. Well, after finishing both procedures, set the carrier to the change amount of the projector. Some pictures may be filmed horizontally and others may be filmed vertically. Therefore, to avail both cases, the carrier is designed to rotate by 90 degrees. To advance the film, rotate the spool knob and send the film frame by frame. But this was free. By the way, this was just free. So, we're just gonna detach the long length lens and try and get it to just see if... That one's for horizontal film, isn't it? I didn't see this. This is for the other type of film. And no clip or something. Oh wait. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now my photos should work. Oh wait. I'm an idiot. A big idiot. Really big idiot. Now my pictures work. Oh wait, they work. But they're upside down. They're upside down, but they work. So now, we're going to see if we can actually get this thing to work. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to try it anyway. And it was working earlier, so it'll be fine. I've probably just touched like 1940s snot or something weird. What do they use in churches? Holy water. I could have touched 1940s holy water. I'm trying to set it up here. I'm going to move the box so we might be able to actually see the screen for once. I'm going to close this. It's very dark in here now. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's the wrong way. Wait. Look at that though. Right, now what I'm going to do is whoa. Let's just see if these cassettes work first, so. Here we go. Here's a cassette player. Bonfire at Babylon. Gideon versus Midian. Okay, give Bonfire at Babylon. There it is. Right, you know what? Let's just put it in one of the decks and see if it works.
Silverbike here with Solly's Old Time Stories. You're just in time to see the latest Solly epic hit the wild. Switch on a machine, down with the lights, and here it is.
Okay, right, let's get it. Let's do what it says. And let's see if this works.
The amazing story of my great, from way back great, Uncle Shadrach. It's called Bonfire at Babylon. Oh, there'll be a hot time in the old town tonight. The place, Babylon, ninth center of the greatest empire the world has ever seen. The face, Nebuchadnezzar, mighty despot, ruling over his empire with an iron hand and crushing all who will come against him. The time, about 2,500 years ago, Tuesday, 8:45 a.m. The story so far: Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, fine Jewish boys, have been captured by invading forces from Babylon. But they're smart, and pretty soon they make it to the top. Now, they're big guys in the king's administration. But they have enemies. Men jealous of their rise to power. Men set on destroying them. So here's the king, sitting on his throne, surrounded by princes, governors, counselors, commissioners, and treasurers, not to mention his judges and janitor and a lady of dubious repute. Okay, you guys. I'm pretty big around here. Now, I know you think y'all pretty big, too. But y'all only big because I made you big. I am the biggest big there is. The ultimate big of bigs. You can't show me anyone who's bigger. Who's the biggest? Me.
I'm not very good at projection based on when to move an image across based on something else. So we can't really do that to the audio. Because literally, yeah, you're supposed to do pictures and whatever. And as you go through the thing, if I play it again, that's what we're on now. You're supposed to follow it to what it says. So you get a prompt. So this line here says, but they have enemies, men jealous of their rise in power. It says you need to be on frame 11 by then. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this random video, then like, subscribe and whatever. Because this is quite like a rare thing, I might actually have to get into contact with someone about this. So someone like Techmoan, I might have to get into contact with him about this thing, because this thing is quite interesting. I'm not going to be able to send it up to him though, because he lives like a long way away from where I am. Techmoan, if you're watching this and you want to see this, then yeah, I will quite happily try and photograph the frames or try and record the cassettes to digital. But other than that, I'm not going to be able to send this to you, so I'm sorry. But other than that though, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, comment, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully a more normal video. So goodbye guys, goodbye.